This is your Korean friend Wonnie. Today I will talk about transportations in Seoul you can use conveniently, except for buses or subways. It's Seoul Bike, 따릉이, and Kickboard. 따릉이 is a rental bike system run by Seoul City called Seoul Public Bike in English. Kickboard is shared electric kickboard and bike system run by a private enterprise. First, let's talk about 따릉이. To use 따릉이, you need to download the mobile app called Seoul Bike. Once you get the app downloaded, press the foreigner button on the bottom. Then you can see the whole application translated into English. You need to buy the pass first. You can buy a 1 hour, a 2 hour, or a day use ticket. After you get the ticket, search for your location on the map. Turn on GPS and Bluetooth to your phone's general settings. When you search for nearby docking stations, docking spots will show up on the map with the number of bikes left. If you press the number, it will show you how many regular and children's bikes are left there. Check the bike and go to the station. Open the app and press the rent button. Then you will see the screen turn into camera mode to take a picture of the QR code. The QR code is on the rear part of the bike. You will hear the announcement your bike is unlocked, and the bike will be unlocked. Now you can ride your bike to your destination. After use, you must return the bike to the docking station near your destination. Put your bike into the dock at the docking station and pull on the lock. If you hear the announcement your bike has been safely returned, your rent has automatically finished. Second, to use Kickboard, you need to download the mobile app called Kickboard. Overall usage process is similar to 따릉이. You have to buy the pass and search up the locations of the kickboards on the map. Once you find the kickboard, press the rent button and take a picture of the QR code. However, there are a few big differences in using a Kickboard from 따릉이. First, you need to certify your driver's license before usage. Second, you should be over 13. Third, no specific docking station exists. You can park at the kick spot in the application or at the edge of a sidewalk where traffic is not hindered. I only introduced 따릉이 and Kickboard, but there are several bike, kickboard, or electric bike rental companies you can use in Korea. There are Jiku, Lekol, Kakao Bike, Beam, Swing, Sing Sing, and so on. Overall usage process is very similar, so it's better to compare the fee and use them. Don't forget to put on a helmet before riding bike or kickboard. No phones, no earphones on for your safe ride. Please press like and subscribe button for more information. Thank you for watching this video.